Today we'll make the very popular, trend-setting, get delicious and very creamy Dalgona coffee. It's a very smooth and enchanting coffee with a very nice velvety flavor. I have tried this recipe and this recipe always works for me, especially during these times when we have a crisis all over the world. Do try this recipe, you will love it. And in this recipe I am showing you to make this frothy coffee without a mixer. That means I am using a hand whisk. So this can be made very easily at home. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell icon. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this recipe of Dalgona coffee. For this recipe I have taken an instant coffee powder, around 2 tablespoons I have taken. You can also use the coffee granules if you have. So there goes 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. Then I'll add sugar, around 2 tablespoons, and water also. I'll add warm water or hot water, around 2 tablespoons. So basic is the ratio is 1:1:1. Completely depends upon your need and the amount you are making. So I am, as I said, I am using a regular whisk here. You can also use an electric mixer, and I have also set the timer here so that I can show you the appropriate time. So I have started to whisk, and in 3 to 4 seconds you will see the coffee has started to dilute the mixture. And as my timer is moving, in around 1 minute and 50 seconds you see the coffee has changed its color, and gradually it's become soft and the consistency will become smooth, and you can see a major difference in the color now. So around after 4 minutes you can see the frothy consistency has begun to appear. You can feel it, the coffee will become very light, the mixture will become very airy, and around 7 minutes it took for me to get the perfect consistency of the Dalgona coffee. See, it's done here. When you pour this, it should have a stiff marks here. See how beautifully it's creating stiff coffee points in this way, and the consistency is looking perfect. So now you can store this mixture if you want. If you have made in large quantity, you can always use a glass jar in this way, airtight one of course, and it can be stored in the refrigerator for around good 6 to 7 days. And when you need, just follow the procedure to make a nice cup of steaming soft Dalgona coffee. I'll show you how. Here I have taken you can either take a large glass or a cup, and you can use a thickened milk or cream. I have used milk, just I have boiled it for few minutes more. And now to it I'll add 2 tablespoons full of this coffee mixture. I have not added any sugar in the milk because this mixture has enough sugar. I'll just swirl it 2 to 3 times to show you the stiff spark. See, in this way, and you can always pipe it. So here comes my goodness of Dalgona coffee, and you can just mix this, the velvety and smooth coffee mixture, with warm milk or chilled milk as per your choice, and enjoy it. A great stress reliever in these times. I hope you have liked the video. Do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my page and share with your family and friends. See you next time. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.